Nowadays, most of us are looking for a compact, portable and stylish keyboard that can be used for gaming as well as day-to-day tasks. In that case, 60% keyboards are the best choice because they are packed with amazing features as well as being lightweight and portable. These keyboards will easily save space on your desk while allowing your mouse to move, aim and navigate freely. So, in this video, we'll take a look at 5 of the best 60% keyboards that are available on the market right now. The RK61 is one of the most affordable mechanical keyboards available on the market. It's an ultra-compact layout with 61 keys that makes you a neat desktop with your organized gears on. The 60% RGB keyboard has 18 RGB backlight modes, 8 monochrome backlight modes, and 1 full-color backlight. These modes will make gaming or typing at night more enjoyable. The scientific stir-up keycap design provides maximum comfort by keeping your hand in most natural position to reduce hand fatigue after extended use and help you minimize typos. The double-shot ABS keycaps will never fade over time and are high-contrasted and enjoyable to use. The RK61 also has a center-mounted detachable USB-C charging cable that matches the color of the keyboard and makes charging and unplugging simple. The multi-device Bluetooth capabilities of the RK61 are truly the shining feature and great for those who prefer using their keyboard wireless or want to use the RK61 with a variety of devices. The 1450 mAh battery allows you to use continuously about 13 hours with lightest backlight and provides up to 360 hours of standby time. The RK61 has a very simple design with a sturdy build. The feet are non-adjustable. The rubber pads provide a good grip and the angle of the keyboard is comfortable to use. According to your preference, you can get this keyboard in 2 different colors. At this price point, if you're on a limited budget and looking for a wireless mechanical, then the Royal KLUDGE RK61 will definitely fulfill your need. If you want an excellent 60% mechanical keyboard at a great price, the SK61 is probably the keyboard for you. To achieve ultimate experience, the SK61 adopts a well-known gate-run optical switches which is also hot swappable for this keyboard. This hot swap feature provides more options and fun to custom your unique mechanical keyboard. On the SK61, you can reprogram any key to create custom macros and add layers for additional functionality. To further customize your typing experience, you can expand up to 3 FN function keys. It also features RGB lighting with 16.8 million LED colors, rhythm and sound lighting combinations, with additional key programming and macro creation for 3 definable layers. With 16.8 million colors available in RGB lights, you can download additional lighting effects to the library and easily use them through the lighting effects driver. The keycaps are made of PBD material which are strong and oil-resistant, making them ideal for long-term use. The keyboard stands out also because of its IPX6 dustproof and water-resistant mainboard design. The SK61 is fully compatible with every operating system from Mac or iOS to Android and Windows, and you can easily switch between the different OS with just the flip of a switch. If you are looking for a budget mechanical keyboard with customization features, then the EPOMAKER SKYLOONG SK61 is definitely a perfect choice. Razer's 60% design Huntsman Mini brings the comforts of a gaming keyboard to mechanical keyboard minimalist and serious sports contenders. It comes with Razer linear optical switch technology that uses optical beam-based actuation, registering key presses at the speed of light. These improved linear optical switches also deliver smooth and instant keystrokes with no tactile bump, and the sound dampeners reduce noise as you bottom out your keys. Take your settings anywhere as you store and activate up to 5 keyboard profiles without the need for software, and personalize it further with a preloaded suite of Razer Chroma RGB lighting effects. With 16.8 million colors and suite of unique lighting effects, the iconic RGB lighting system has made its way onto the battle stations of gamers worldwide. Designed for greater durability, the PVD keycaps on the 60% gaming keyboard have a premium, textured quality that will never degrade to a shiny finish or have the labeling wear off with intense use. The keyboard is also covered with a matte, aluminum top frame for increased structural integrity. If you want to experience lightning-fast actuation in most compact form factor, then this Razer Huntsman Mini will never let you down. The N Pro 2 is an excellent 60% compact gaming keyboard that feels very well built and looks sleek in most computer setups. To make the keyboard portable yet retaining the essential keys required for functioning, the N Pro uses Magic FN keys. The Magic keys can copy the FN key function that gives you a quick access to your media player, custom function, etc. With Gatron and KLUDGE RGB switch and double-shot PVD keycaps, the N Pro 2 provides an excellent physical support of excellent typing or gaming experience. This keyboard has programmable 16.8 million RGB backlight supporting full key static and dynamic lighting RGB customization options as well. The powerful onboard dual ARM Cortex-M chip with large memory capacity can save user-defined tap, magic fun, lightning effect, alignment, and macro settings without affecting its own functions. One plus point is that the keyboard has built-in Bluetooth 4.0 for wireless connectivity. You can also use Type-C connection to plug and play under wired mode. With a battery capacity of 1900 mAh, it lasts for up to 8 hours on wireless usage. There is also a built-in on and off switch to conserve battery power and an auto sleep feature to save battery life when not in use. In addition to these features, the N Pro 2 is extremely well built and has a sleek design, and despite the fact that it has a plastic frame, it feels very strong. If you're looking for a compact wireless mechanical keyboard with customization options, N Pro 2 will definitely be an ideal choice for you. If you want to choose a keyboard that will satisfy all your needs, then the Ducky One 2 Mini is highly recommended. It is an excellent 60% compact mechanical gaming keyboard built with high-quality materials. Also, the 100% Cherry MX switches, brand new bezel design, dual-layer PCB, and 85% PVD double-shot keycaps makes a Ducky One 2 Mini top our list. This keyboard can be customized to meet your productivity and gaming needs. The keycaps, switches, software, and RGB lighting can all be customized to your liking. A stylized spacebar is also included, which adds a nice finishing touch to the design. The shift keys, enter, backspace, and spacebar on the One 2 Mini have excellent stabilizers. There are also a number of features that are built directly on the keyboard, so this means there is no need for additional software. It also supports 10 kinds of RGB LED lighting modes to give you a relaxing gaming experience. Cherry MX Red, Blue, Brown, Black, Silent Red, Silent Black, and Speed are the different switch types that are available. The keyboard does come with a standard-looking USB-C cable which is detachable and can be easily replaced. However, it is only wired and cannot be used wirelessly. Overall, whatever purpose you intend to use it for, whether it's work, gaming, typing, or programming, the Ducky One 2 Mini can be a perfect choice for you. Thank you for watching the video. If you want more videos like this, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also press the bell icon for instant notifications so that you never miss a video from Tech Inside.